2, and 1. Merry Christmas, Gina Alaminos!
This lighting ceremony is more than turning on beautiful Christmas decorations. It is a reminder of the warmth, joy, and togetherness that make our subdivision feel like home.
As we welcome this season of joy, may this light remind us that even on difficult or challenging days, we can choose to be good and kind to one another. Kindness is the light that keeps our community warm and united. Thank you for joining us tonight, and may the spirit of Christmas fill our homes with hope, peace, and happiness.
As the lights shine tonight, may they symbolize hope, generosity, and spirit of the season. Thank you all for being here and helping make our community brighter.